Hey YouTube, how we doing? Well, you can tell right here by the box what time of month it is. That's right, Battlebox is right back in the shop. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to take a look at this box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, as you know, we usually bring Battlebox into the shop. If you're not sure what it is, well, Battlebox is a monthly subscription service that's got 4 levels: the basic, advanced, pro, and knife of the month. Essentially with Battlebox, the more you spend is the more you're going to get. Now, we're only bringing in the basic at this point. We may upgrade at some point again, but for now I'm just doing the basic. Why? If there's a box that I think is a home run, I want to be able to go onto their store, purchase it, and not have to pay an exorbitant cost like I had to with some other ones. Now, before we even get any further into this video, Battlebox, if you're watching, you really need to drop UPS SurePost as your shipping guys. I know you may have to pay a little bit more with the post office, but this is ridiculous that this box sat in Georgia for frickin' 7 days. Somehow made it cross country in like a day, and then I had to wait an additional 2 to get it, and that would be today. You know, it was supposed to be here Friday, what we got? Today's Monday. The 10th, I believe it was. Yeah, Friday was August 10th, and this is showing up Monday, August 13th, 2 days before re-update for next month. But enough of that. So as we always do, there's what's in this month's box. The mission for this month is the tracking box. Now, I gotta tell you, I'm surprised it took them this long to get it. I really am. I think tracking is a valuable skill. I think tracking can save your life if you have to. If something comes into your area or you're hunting for food, you need to be able to find out where, who, and what it is. But enough of that. So in essence, I paid $25 for this basic box, and now you're going to throw in shipping, which I think brought it to $33, $34, somewhere around there. And it's got an overall value of $44.98 this month. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, the first item up is the SAS Tracking Handbook with a value of $12.99. Okay, which makes me giggle because right there on the back it says it's worth $14.95. This is written by Barry Davies, and I have no idea who he is, but it says right here he spent 18 years in the British SAS serving around the globe. Oh, well, okay. He participated in the storming of the hijacked Lufthansa plane in Mogadishu in '77 and was awarded the British Empire Medal. So, okay. He's an SAS member, so I'm going to, shut up and read his book. And I will have a review on it as well, but, it's less than 200 pages. Okay? You do have color photos in there. And just by looking at it, it's not a military-style read. And you guys who have served, you know exactly what I mean. For those who haven't, it doesn't look like it's going to be a dry read where in this chapter, in this page, in this paragraph, with this section. Yeah. Alright. Next up is by Universal Survival Tech, Live and Learn Tracking Cards. Yeah, so I've had some UST stuff before, like with these tracking cards and other cards. They're very basic, very simple, and they give you kind of generic info. So, of course, I knew this was going to happen. Look at this, I basically torn the whole freaking package apart. I still can't get in there. Oh, only on a Monday. Bastage. Alright. Well, like that. They give you very common animals. It's good little info. It's good if you've never had to follow them before or find them before. So, it can give you info, and, information is always good. Training is always good. Period. It is. Next item up is the Animal Tracks casting kit. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, Battlebox. I get it. It's a project for your kids. Alright? They give you the little shield that you can put around the track when you find it. They give you a bag of plaster. All you need is some water, mix it up. So you can pour it in there, let it sit, and you will have a cast of an animal you were tracking. Now, like on the back of that, they have very, very common tracks. Not to mention, you know, some info. I think this could be a neat project for me and the monkey to do. And for those of you who watch my videos, yes, I call my son the monkey. Don't ask why. We're going to touch on that later on in a future step-parent vlog. That's okay. Alright, next up is the Wazoo Tracking Field Kit, or as they call it, the w.t.f. Bandana. Now, oh wait a minute, the UST had a value of $3.99. The Field Casting Kit, $9.50. And this has a value of $14. From my understanding, this was a Kickstarter thing. If I read it correctly, Battlebox is basically the first area that it's been released into. So let's go and take a look at this thing. Now this is kind of what I like. You know, everyone has those kids with the little slap bandanas. I should say slap bracelets. Rulers are important when you're tracking, because basically when you're going, you can lay it down, you can make sure it's the right track, the right size, the right person. You know, they have, what do we got here? Centimeters and inches. All right, and basically, you can wear it all the time, so you have it with you. I just, oh my God. I'll show you in a moment on the back. Why is Sasquatch not on here? Okay. And what I really like, they've got common tracks on the bandana. So that is kind of cool. And what were they just saying about the eyes? Oh dear God. Okay. So when you're wearing your bandana, and I kind of get it. Basically, they're called night eyes, I believe. Certain predators like to, you know, hunt from behind. So if you have that on and a set of eyeballs in the back, they're going to see the eyeballs and think you're looking dead at them and hopefully leave you alone. So that's kind of cool. All right, that is kind of cool. Honestly, between the book and the bandana, I'm happy with the basic box. But there is one more item in the basic box. Fire tacks. Now, this kills me. They're, you know, retro-reflective 3D trail markers. Now, I don't know if you guys can catch that. There's little stuff right in there that when you shine a light on them, they're going to reflect it back greatly at you. That way you can see the who's, the what's, and the where's, and you can mark, like, a campsite if you have to. They say it's reusable and visible up to 300 yards away. And from what I understand from Battlebox and Curran's video, those aren't standard, like, little thumbtack tacks. Those are more heavy duty. But, you know, there you go with that. Now, Battlebox does this a lot, which I'm kind of grateful for. Okay. So, here you go, guys. There's a coupon for fire tax. You know, they're giving you free money, basically. Okay. So, here's a chance to win, what is that? A free Xbox One. And there's the house. Oh, okay. So, all right. And this is in the Pro box, which I don't have. So I would suggest watching Battlebox's video or my buddy Jason over at PMP. I should say Poor Man's Preparing. Hopefully he's going to do a video this month on it. there's stuff for, you know, Nightshade Tactical. Alright, so usually I would have this big setup and go over everything. I gotta tell you guys, it's the basic box. Not a lot of people like seeing that, but this is what I'm gonna do. I know you can just still kind of see the items right here. I'll be honest. To me, that's crap. But for some people, it's going to be really, really good. You know, the UST cards. Fire attacks, I'm probably going to give them away here in an upcoming subscriber video. So keep an eye out for that, because I don't have a need for them. I will be reading that in the next coming days and have a video up for it. That, I think, is awesome. To me, the massive redeeming value of the basic box is, you know, the Wazoo Survival Gear Tracking Bandana. I think it's freaking awesome. Oh, and yeah, the little kit, you know, to have craft day with your kids. But, you know, that's my thoughts on this stuff, guys. I mean, the one thing I have to give Battlbox credit on, and I always have, all right, they were the first guys to basically bring it out and go, well, let's start doing this. Some of their boxes are hits. A lot of boxes lately have been misses. You know, but that's just my opinion. I want to know what you think down below in the comments section. Questions, comments, hatred, give me all of it, guys. You know I want to hear it. You know I'm going to take it and respond to it. If you're a first-time viewer of this channel, I want to thank you so much for picking this one. It's a weird one to start with, I'll give you that. You know, but hey, thank you for watching. Now, for you cool guys who haven't subscribed, you know, to my channel yet, I know this one's weird, but if you like some of the stuff I'm saying and, you know, what you're seeing, there's going to be a little symbol popping up on either side. It's going to be our channel logo. So go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you nail that subscribe button, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up over here or over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Battlbox, August 2018, Mission 42, the Tracking Box. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.